Pearl jewelry has long been associated with elegance, timeless beauty, and luxury. From Cleopatra's pearl earrings to Audrey Hepburn's classic strand, pearls have graced the necks of royalty, celebrities, and fashion icons throughout history. But when it comes to investing in pearls, are they really worth the price? Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a requested one from one of our awesome viewers. You ask if pearl jewelry is a good investment. So here we are, diving deep into that very topic. Now, I want to start by saying upfront, guys, I am not an expert on pearls, but what I do know is that I absolutely love South Sea pearls. In fact, I have quite a collection of them, and I can't get enough of their stunning luster and unique beauty. So, like I mentioned, disclaimer, I am not a gemologist. I'll be sharing what I've learned over the years about pearl jewelry from my own experiences, and I'll go over some key factors to keep in mind when considering pearls as an investment. I will also be showing you some of the pearl jewelry in my collection in a little while. These aren't just pure pearls, most are actually set in gold, yellow, white, with diamonds, making them even more special and luxurious. First, let's talk about the different types of pearls you might encounter when investing. The most common types are freshwater pearls, saltwater pearls, and the rarer, most expensive varieties like Tahitian and South Sea pearls. Freshwater pearls, which come mostly from China, are more affordable and they come in a wide variety of shapes and colors. These tend to be more accessible for first-time buyers, but it may not always hold the same investment potentials as their saltwater counterparts. Saltwater pearls like Akoya are known for their round shape and luster. This can command higher prices depending on their quality and size. But when we talk about investment value, we're often referring to the rarer varieties like Tahitian and South Sea pearls. Tahitian pearls come in stunning dark hues, and South Sea pearls are large, often gold or white, and have soft satin-like finish. This type can fetch a premium price, particularly for the finest quality pieces. These ones are black Tahitian, and they are set in 18-karat yellow gold as well, but the ring has some diamonds all around the pearl. I really love this color. I also have a classic example of South Sea pearls in golden color, and I have so many of these in my collection. So these are yellow or golden South Sea pearls. So what makes these pearls valuable? There are several factors that contribute to its worth, and understanding this is crucial when considering pearl as an investment. First up is luster. Luster refers to the quality and depth of pearl's shine. The ones with high luster are more valuable because they reflect light more beautifully, giving them that signature glow. We have the size and shape. Size and shape also play a major role in pricing. Larger pearls, especially round ones, tend to be more expensive. But don't discard irregular shapes like Baroque pearls, which are unique and can be quite fashionable. Of course, we have surface quality. Pearls are naturally formed inside oysters, and no two are exactly the same. Pearls with fewer blemishes and smoother surface are considered more valuable. Lastly, we have color. Color is another important factor. While classic white pearls are always in style, rare colors like deep black Tahitian or golden South Sea can fetch much higher prices. The big question is, are pearls a good investment? Alright, we've covered briefly the types of pearls and what makes them valuable. The short answer is, it depends. Unlike gold or diamonds, pearls don't typically increase in value over time in the same way. However, certain rare and high-quality pearls, especially those from South Sea or Tahitian varieties, can appreciate in value, particularly if they are well-maintained and come with a provenance. If you're looking at pearls as a long-term investment, you should be prepared for a slower return. Sad, but they are often more emotional or luxury investments. If you buy an exquisite piece, you're more likely to enjoy it personally for years to come rather than seeing a rapid increase in its financial worth. So, how do you choose pearls that hold value? Here's my advice. Invest in high-quality pieces. First, always opt for the highest quality pearls you can afford with excellent luster, few surface blemishes, and rich color. Number 2, look for certification. Make sure your pearls are certified by a trusted gemological institute. This provides peace of mind that you're buying genuine, high-quality piece. Lastly, think about rarity. Rare colors, shapes, and sizes are more likely to hold value over time. Now, I also want to mention something I've personally noticed when it comes to selling or trading pearls. In the Philippines, I haven't seen yet any jewelry shops with signs that say they buy pearl jewelry. I don't know about other countries, but here, even pawn shops don't typically accept pearls as collateral. It's important to keep in mind that, at least locally, that they will only accept the gold that comes with it. But the pearl will not be valued, which is such a waste. So if you're looking for an investment that will provide an immediate significant return, pearl jewelry may not be your best bet. But if you're a jewelry lover who appreciates the artistry, history, and timeless elegance of pearls, they can be a meaningful addition to your collection. Now, here are some of my pearl jewelry pieces I've collected over the years. I only have here 3 strands of South Sea pearls. Everything here is South Sea except for the Tahitian, which I've shown you earlier. But these are my 3 strands of South Sea pearls. They are huge. This one is more expensive than the white. It's in deep golden color with a 18-karat yellow gold clasp, which is round ball. And this one too, it has a 18-karat yellow gold clasp. My necklace which is called graduated. It also has a clasp of 18 karat yellow gold ball, and I don't wear this together because when worn together, they look overwhelming. So when I wear this, I wear other jewelry to pair it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to add more, but for the meantime, I'm very satisfied with what I have in my collection. Now, here's my recommendation. If you truly love pearls, go ahead and buy them for your personal use. They are classic and classy. And of course, they never go out of style. You can wear them not only for special occasions, but also for casual settings. They are versatile, timeless, and always add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Thanks for watching, as well as to the viewer who requested this video. Thank you so much for the awesome idea. I hope this helped you and anyone else wondering in making informed decision about investing in pearls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jewelry insights. And if you have any more questions or video requests, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, and keep shining. Bye!